Stop scrolling! What if I told you these fresh apples will become delicious apple juice in just a few hours? Let's follow the entire journey from the orchard to your bottle. Every apple is picked at the perfect moment because only the sweetest fruit makes the best juice. Nothing gets past these smart AI cameras. Only the highest quality apples continue their journey.
Now the apples begin their road trip. Thousands of pounds of fresh fruit head straight to one of America's biggest juice factories. The apples have arrived! But this is where the real transformation begins. Inside this factory, millions of apples will soon become fresh apple juice.
Time for the world's biggest apple shower! Every apple gets scrubbed, washed, and polished until it's perfectly clean. These smart AI scanners never blink. If an apple isn't perfect, it's out.
Crunch time! These powerful crushers turn mountains of apples into fresh pulp in just seconds. Now the magic happens. Giant presses squeeze every last drop of sweet apple juice. Before bottling, the juice goes through advanced filters to make every sip crystal clear and delicious.
Think the juice is ready? Not yet! It's getting filtered again until it's crystal clear and unbelievably smooth. Now things get hot. The juice is gently heated to lock in freshness and keep every bottle safe to drink. Too hot? No problem. Giant cooling systems quickly chill the juice, keeping that fresh apple flavor locked inside. Before the juice arrives, every bottle is inspected. Even the tiniest defect gets rejected. Watch this! Thousands of bottles are filled every minute, and not a single drop goes to waste. Every bottle gets sealed in a split second. These robots never miss, not even once. It's time for a fresh new look. Every bottle gets its label perfectly placed in just a fraction of a second. These smart AI cameras have eagle eyes. If one bottle isn't perfect, it's out. Packed, protected, and ready to travel. These robots package thousands of bottles every single hour. And just like that, thousands of fresh apple juice bottles are ready to hit stores across America. But the journey isn't over yet.